Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you where you can find a PowerPoint presentation. It is a quiz about the article of technology that we just read. So here in your platform you have an option that says tutorial that is in here, so you have to click on tutorial and then here is the presentation that is called quiz technology. So here you have many slides with questions and then you have to answer each of the slides. And you have options like multiple choice, and then when you answer correctly or in a wrong way you will have a feedback. So for example, if you start your first question that it says what can be contrast in using technology in teaching, so you have options in here, then you have to choose one like wrong information, and then if you are wrong then you will have like this. So you can continue with the quiz or try again, all right? Then you have the next question, and then you have to answer if it's correct or not. And then if you are correct, you have this. You have a feedback. So here you have another question, for example, that it's about the benefits at using technology. And here again you have options. So you have to choose an option like this one. And yes, that's right, okay? So now you can continue with the quiz and move to the next question, okay? So please, when you finish with the quiz, don't forget to make notes about your progress. And if you have questions, please make notes and then we will check it on the class. So I will leave this tutorial on the platform and you can watch it anytime. So if you still have questions, please send me an email and then I will answer immediately. So have a nice day, guys, and I'll see you in class.